and it's our second show at Camp Stephen King. Hello. Hello. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Drew. What time do you guys wake up?
7.
7.
Something.
I'm still not up.
What? We're setting up. Here's the stage. It's quiet now, but soon it'll be filled with loud children. How do you feel?
Terrible.
You ready for the show?
No.
Great. Maybe. I'm nervous.
I agree.
What are you nervous for? I don't know. I wasn't nervous yesterday.
Sound check.
Testing out the drum. It's currently 9:40 and we're going to perform around 10, so we're just kind of walking around now. This is the school we're going to be performing at. It's really nice. We just finished our performance, our first performance.
Rebecca finds her stalker.
There was this really cute girl and she's little obsessed. But we had really fun performing here. Now we're packing up quickly and we're going to go on to our next performance. How did we do?
We did awesome and you're ripping off Good Luck Charlie.
I just have one comment to say. Rebecca!
Can I quit? We're in the car. Next stop. It's in Noe Valley.
It's also in San Francisco.
Yeah. Tour. On 3. Rebecca! Hello. We're at the Noe Valley thing. And Rebecca just smelled herself to see if she was wet or not.
Rebecca, stupid.
What is that? Ew. Huh. The mysterious wet spot. Adventures when the pants are gone. No, the other one, the mouth.
The math.
So we just finished setting up here, but our performance, yeah, we're performing next to a wall. But we have 30 minutes, so we're gonna go out and eat food. We went to a cafe, and we were gonna buy, or not a cafe, a nasty like gas station thing. We were gonna buy food, so we got a box of cereal, and it was $6. So we're going to Phil's Coffee. We heard it's good. We're at the coffee place. And I didn't get coffee. Neither did I. After this, we're gonna go back to the school that we're playing at, and we're gonna play a show for the kids. Checking the sound. And we're getting ready for our second performance. And second and last today. And then one more tomorrow. And then one next week. We're in Noe Valley right now, and we're playing on the floor. Yeah. So it'll be really one-on-one intimate concert with the little kids. We just finished our second performance finally. It's really loud in here. This audience was really good at Noe Valley. They were really loud but really enthusiastic.
Yeah,
and I
exactly.
really liked it.
What do you think of the performance, Drew?
The counselors were awesome.
Yeah.
They started a conga line during best song
That
ever.
was the best. Yeah, and then the kid was like, I bet you can't dance like this. And you just have a seat.
Yeah, so we did really well. Go us. We're done with our 2 performances and we have one tomorrow in Sunnyvale, so. Catch you later. We'll go. Alright.
Mr. Pimp, good game.
Road trip. Yeah.
Yay.
We're in a car and we might go eat
go
more
to eat.
food.
We just finished. We've finished 3 Stephen King performances and we only have 2 left.
Yeah. What? No, we have 3 left. One in August. Okay. Yeah, but that crowd was really great. So if Noe Valley people are watching this, thank you because you guys are really good. I'm back celebratory dancing because we're done. We got frozen yogurt. And
the fire alarm going off?
Yeah, the fire alarm just went off.
Panicking.
And there's no fire and no one evacuated the building properly. So we'll keep vlogging tomorrow. See you around.